Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is your friend Mr. Harcourt Radical Kotalidon. Today is the 15th of January 2009. Today we are going to have a special edition of Free the Pinto, Mr. Harcourt's segment, and this section is Hot for Words. Not every word in the English language comes from Latin or French or Old English. So from time to time I'll be sharing a few words with you to discuss words that also come from African roots. So today we are going to be looking at a special word. Actually, she is a celebrity and her name is Annie Kuruta. You may know Annie Kuruta. She is a political commentator. She is also a syndicated columnist. And she's a best-selling author. So today we are going to be studying her name and the roots of her name. Annie Hart Kuruta, that is her full name. So without further ado, let's get into the root of her name. But before we do that, I want to say that I am the public relations officer or PRO of the African Brothers for Kulta or ABC. African Brothers for Kulta are a group. We are 50,000 strong, originating mostly in Southern Africa, headquartered in South Africa, and diamonds in South Africa, oil in Nigeria, and so forth and so on. But that's neither here nor there. So let me tell you about Annie Hart Kuruta. As I said earlier, Annie Hart Kuruta is a syndicated columnist. Let's take each word at a time. So, Annie is Old Shona for the word who. Like you can say, Ndi Annie Arukuba Chibage, which is who is stealing the corn or the maize. So, Annie means who. The second word is not Shona, it's English, it's heart. Heart, like if you say, I heart Huckabee, I love Huckabee, the heart. So Annie is who is heart or who is loving. The last surname or last name of Annie is Kuruta, and this is from another Old Shona verb, Kuruta, which means to be greedy or to like very, very much, relish and meat. So for instance, in a normal diet back home, you can just have cornmeal by itself as a carbohydrate, or you can have a rice by itself with maybe some sour milk. But if you are saying that someone is kuruta, it means that they want meat and vegetables on the side. So and it's normally not associated with someone nice. It's so normally associated with someone who is spoiled. So if for instance you say ndiri kuruta, you say its translation is I am loving very much or greedy for meat and relish. But it may not be literally meat and relish. It can also be greedy for money, for power, hungry for fame and celebrity status. So if you take the full name of Annie Hart Kuruta, that means literally translated, who loves to be greedy for relish and meat, or who likes to be greedy, or who likes to be loving fame and fortune and celebrity status. So Annie Hart Kuruta is someone who is loving meat and relish. Let me say that I am a very, very, very special fan of Annie Kuruta, and being the spokesperson or public relations officer of the African Brothers for Kuruta. We have sponsored her from way back when she was still a small little fish, and we buy her books, we listen to or read her columns, and we just sponsor her very secretly. The African Brothers for Kulta is a secret society like the Skull and Bones, like the Illuminati, and all those secret organizations, or the Mensa Club. So we are very much proud of Annie Kuruta, and we'll continue to sponsor her and look after her and take care of her. We have another group of white people that fall under ABC, or African Brothers for Kuruta, but for today's purposes, it was just to analyze the etymology or the roots of her name, Anihat Kuruta. Thanks, please, ladies and gentlemen. Goodbye, my children. Take care and remember to behave yourself. And children, if you want to have sex, wear a condom. Thanks, please.